connect the dots. That is the most beautiful concept given by Steve Jobs. Dear friends, you are doing so many things in your life. You are doing something, suppose someone is going for gymming, someone is traveling, someone is trying to start his new business. He's studying this and that, and we are making friends, we are making our network. So we are doing so many things and we are switching from one thing to another thing. And most of the time we are thinking that whatever we are doing, is it worth, or we should do something else. In case of this concept, suppose connect the dots. You are doing so many things, means you are making the dots here and there. And after some months, some years, you would be able to connect those dots and there will be a complete picture. That picture will define your life. But you do whatever is there, if it is not harming you or harming any other, then you should do that. Instead of thinking that should I do or shouldn't I do, you should do whatever is there, because different exposure is going to give you some good experience and that will make your real picture.